What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. Really, I can only record for 53 minutes on this phone. Piece of crap phone. But yeah, welcome back to another vlog. As you can tell, I'm not really gonna go into the backstory too much on this, but I don't know, 6-7 months, I don't know, a long time ago. As y'all know, I made a video that said I broke my damn camera. Well, I legitimately broke it, but today. Or, well, not today, but it was fixed a long time ago, but I just didn't make the video for the Sony camera is fixed. The screens are not cracked anymore. They was cracked. I didn't show that in the video. I don't know why I should have, but they was cracked. I'm cracked. I have used and destroyed this camera when I got angry. You know what happens when people get mad, they break stuff. Yeah, well, that's what I did. But I fixed it, so it works, and we're about to start doing vlogs on this thing again. Right now we're doing content on my good old trusty phone. Not my iPhone, because my iPhone's being a piece of crap and doesn't even record anymore, so I guess it's back to the Android, my iPhone's being a piece of crap and I don't even feel like messing with it. I'm trying to get out here, do some videos, and call it a day. I ain't trying to sit inside and mess with my iPhone all day, so especially when I got other things I can record on. I don't really need my iPhone that bad. But, of course, you really don't care. There's going to be a rambling vlog. Okay, usually this doesn't go on the camera. Usually, I messed up. Usually this doesn't go, this kind of content doesn't go on this channel, but today it is. Because I made a video about this, so I'll make another video saying I got the thing fixed. Makes sense? Yep. I keep forgetting I have to wash my mouth in videos. You know my other channel, we actually everything. I got chill out with this is the kids' check. So if I stutter, that's because I'm trying to figure out what to say that's illegal on YouTube. So I don't stutter like this. I just need to say the right word, not the wrong. Today I'm tired, okay? I ain't gonna lie, your voice is hitting the gas too much. I need to get off the gas. I need to start doing more vlogging. But yeah, this video is not much. No, it's not much. I know there's been a lot more heavy videos on the channel, but today's just the day. Today's just the freaking day where we have to do this. Shit. Of course, this is supposed to be a kids channel. I gotta start making videos on this channel so I know when to wash my mouth and when not to. This is ridiculous. The stupid sun, man. The sun is really messing up my vlog today. Like, the sun is really getting in my way. It's annoying. But yeah, I just want to say that I got the camera fixed, for all the people that, I guess do watch this channel. I don't know, right now this phone is between phones and cameras. I'm being honest. Right now my vlogging life is between phones and cameras because, I don't know. I mean, I like this camera, it's a dinosaur camera. Like, God forbid you gotta hold it the other way. I'm not that strong, man. I'm weak now. I'm slacking, I'm out of shape. So, yeah, man. The struggle's real, but yeah, I just want to make a short little video, clarifying that and shit like that. So,